everyone. I'm going to teach you how to do two-handed weapons for your VrChat avatar. There are a few things that you're gonna need, but it's actually really easy. So today I'm going to be using this hammer. I just found it off of Sketchfab and modified it a little bit. The requirements in order for this to work are you're going to make sure the scale is 111, and you're going to need a bone at where you want your main hand to be. So I have the bone here. I'm just going to right click, unpack prefab, and on this bone I'm going to add a aim constraint. That's aim constraint. Then I'm going to create an empty game object. This is where your other hand, hold, or grab will be. Just center that out. Click on your aim constraints, add a source, make it grab, kind of move the grab down a bit, and activate. Make sure this is all fine. When you go into play mode, you can see if I move this around, everything works fine with it. And when you want to disable it, all you have to do is make this 0, and then you can move around. So that's the base thing there. Now we're going to add it to our actual model. I'm going to take the hammer, first turn off this or else it'll make it look wonky. I'm going to take the hammer, put it up, make sure the hand is where the bone is. So you can check by doing pivot, and that'll show you where it is. Rotate it, how you want it to look. Then we're going to take our empty game object, the grab game object. We're going to put that in the other hand. So you go down the hierarchy. Let's see, that's my left arm. I'm going to put it on the wrist or left hand here. Center it out. And the way that we can test if this will work in game is just by going to 1. You can see the wrist goes to there, back to 0. So make sure you have this on your other hand, and I'm now show you how to make the toggle. So duplicate your model like always. I'm going to create an animation. I'm going to call this grab. We're going to be making this a gesture, so we're going to add property animator, and for 3.0 this is the left hand. So we're going to take all the left hand ones, hold shift, select all of them, right click, add properties, make sure you delete the last frame, and then you're going to do this one of two ways. You can either press the record button, go down in your hierarchy, left shoulder, we're going to find the bone where we activate whether it's on or off the 1 or 0, make it 1, or you could go into here and go down this list. I find it's easier to just record and do it, but whatever you're comfortable with, whatever you know, you should do that. So once you've done that, just copy and paste the frame to the next one. Once you do that, you add it to your gesture layer as a fist, or you could make it a gesture toggle, which that's a whole other thing, and put it on your armature or your model and your avatar descriptor, and yeah, Super easy. You got it.